Welcome to A Couple of Uncles. We recently received a message on one of my previous videos about attaching our snowblower on our lawnmower. The person wanted more details on how to attach the snowblower handle that turns the discharge chute, and how to attach the rod that connects the snowblower to the hydraulic mechanism underneath the lawnmower. It sounds like they removed the pin from the lift rod. So I went ahead and removed mine just to show how it attaches. There's a small nub that attaches from the lift rod to the attachment lift and is held together with a hairpin. Here's a small diagram that shows the attachment lift. And here are both diagrams together so you can see where the lift rod attaches to the attachment lift. Normally, we would just slide the lift tube into the lift rod and be done with it. But I can see why some people would remove the lift rod. I've had it get caught on the mower deck every time that I have had to change the mower deck. And I think I'm going to go ahead and remove it from now on. But here's the location of the attachment lift. And like I said, it's just behind the chain. Here's a better picture with everything connected. In the diagram right next to it, you can actually see the chain and where the attachment lift go. So I lift up the lift rod and I attach it to the attachment lift. Then hold it together with the hairpin. The diagram states to use the third hole, but I've been using the second hole with no issues. And it's supposed to have a 3/4 inch washer around the lift rod. There's also supposed to be a spring and eye bolt that attaches, but it looks like I did not inherit all of the parts. They also wanted to know how to attach the handle that rotates the chute. So now we go ahead and attach the handle support to the mid-hitch slot. Once the handle support is in this position, you can pull up on the mid-latch lever and it will lock it into place. Now we can attach the crank handle to the U-joint. I'd lost the hairpin that connects the two a long time ago, but it would normally attach with a hairpin. And there it is. I hope this covers everything that was needed. We hope you liked this video. Consider hitting the like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you'd like to suggest a video for the future, I am open to new ideas and going over old ideas.